Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Bakale. Today I am going to talking about the role of a youth in bringing social change. So as we know, the today's youth busy with their mobile phones and only know about the phones and the technology, and they are not actively participating in our society and problems related to our society. I guess that's not true, because we are the ones who are engaged with their technology and the social change. But we can make a big change. We can make a big change in our society by using this platform, so by using this social media. So I am going to talk about the problems in our society. So on that, the ultimate solution is that the youth. So starting with the with our society is a full of hatred and a corrupt. So first one is the corruption is the biggest problem in our society, and only the youth, today's youth, wanna make it possible. They work accordingly for make it possible. And because of our previous generation is less educated than us, and uh, we are the ones most educated, and we have the ones we most connected with the people by using social media and by using this technology. So it's our responsibility to generate the awareness about the all things like corruption, hatred, etc. Then talking about the hatred, in today's society there are many religions and many castes, but we know that every human has a same value in our society. So we could not judge these things by his religion or a caste or anything. If we manage to these all the things, the major problem of the hatred will be gone. Then the youth is something that have a passion, more energy, and more dedication, and have a ability to do a more work than than our previous generation. So let's talk about the environmental changes or environmental crises happening in our society. We are the one who create a we are the one to create a awareness and more some and make some changes related to related to pollution which happening in our environment. So there are the many types of pollution like water pollution, air pollution, and the sound pollution. Mm. As a youth, we have to come together and bring a change in our society, like which cause the pollution, like cars, vehicles, and plastic management and the waste management. So we have to make rid of it and make our world a better place. So next part is the politics. Today's politics are less educated. They are not concerned about future and progress of our nation. We are the ones who enter in the politics, and we can make a big changes or make necessary changes. For to do these all the things, we have to make together and courage it. So these are all about the roles of the youth in bringing social changes. So thank you.